just honest travel. Welcome to the Honest Travel Guide. Welcome at a new review of the Honest Travel Guide. We are back in Hotel Occidental Pueblo Acantilado in Spain. We were here 2 weeks ago, but we are back. This time we have booked a Junior Suite Deluxe Sea View. I'm going to show you around the room. Well, as you can see, this is our bedroom and it's really spacious. It's a big double bed. And if you look outside, it's a typical Spanish buildings. There is a huge television on the wall. There's a little seat over here. And then, of course, there is a huge mirror. And here there is a closet for all your things to store. Some extra blankets or pillows over there. And of course, there is air conditioning because it's very warm. Over here you can storage your suitcase. And then we're going to the hall. So here's the front door. Let me see what's behind this one. Oh, here you can store also some clothing, and over here underground there is a safe to store your valuables. Now we're going to the bathroom. As you can see, there is a sink, there is a huge mirror, a makeup mirror, a hairdryer. Of course, there are towels. There is a bidet, a toilet, a bathtub with a walk-in shower. Good to know is that there is no plug in the bath. If you want to have it, you just call 9 to reception and they're going to bring it to you. So don't worry if it is not available, you can get it. So then we're going to our living room. As you can see, we have a couch over here. Some beautiful windows. A little dining table, again, a huge television and an air conditioning. And over here, there is a kitchen. It is not equipped, but you can rent it if you need it. It's a little bit outdated, as you can see here. It's not closing completely, but behind there is a fridge. Well, it's quite empty now. But then the best of this room, and Frank is already enjoying when we go out. We have a big terrace overlooking the sea with some lounge chairs, some dining table and chairs, a curtain so you can close it for some privacy or against the wind. And it's with glass, so you have no obstructed view. And as you can see, here is the Mediterranean Sea. It's a little bit windy, but it's very beautiful. We even have an outdoor shower. So this hotel is built like a pueblo, so that means like a village. So you can park your car and then just walk a little bit. But no problem, there is a pool, they can help you with the luggage. Well, if you cannot walk easy, it is really not the best hotel because it's very steep sometimes. But the breakfast is very good every morning. We've enjoyed it before. You can also see the review here below from the other hotel room where we stayed. But overall, yeah, it was a good hotel, so we decided to come back, book another room and review this room also. So if you liked this review, please put your thumb up or subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye bye.